Hi, welcome to Seshu-Solutions. This is Anusha. Today, I'm going to teach you about decimal divisions. I'll make 4 videos for decimal division. In the first video, I'll cover numbers divided by the whole numbers. Okay, let me start with few examples. So the first example here is 83.28 divided by 8. 83.28 is called dividend and 8 is divisor. After dividing, whatever the answer we will get, it is called the coefficient. Okay, so 83.28 divided by 8. So we will write 8 outside and 83.28 inside. Okay, the numerator 83.28 will go inside and the 8 outside. Okay, so now let's start the division. 8 times 1 is 8. Now we have to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. And then we will bring the 3 down. 8 times 0 is 0. Because we will not get 3 in the 8 table, we are doing 8 times 0 as 0. And 3 minus 0 as 3. Because of the decimal point here in the question, we have to put a decimal point in the coefficient. Okay. Now we will bring the next number 2 down. So 8 times 4 is 32. So we will write 4 on the top and 32 on the bottom. So 32 minus 32 is 0. Now we have to bring the next number down, which is 8. 8 times 1 is 8 and the remainder is 0. Okay. So what is our answer now? 10.41. The 10.41 is called the coefficient. Okay. Let's do one more example. It is 85.660 divided by 4. Again, 85.660 is called the dividend and 4 is the divisor. Whatever the answer we get, it is a coefficient. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. So 8 minus 8 is 0. And then we will bring the 5 down. So we are dividing by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. Okay. Again, subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Because of the decimal point here, we will put a decimal point in the coefficient. And then we are bringing the next number down. So 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. And then we will bring the 6 down. 4 times 1 is 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And then we will bring the 0 down. Now 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 minus 20 is 0. So the answer will be 21.415. 21.415. So the 21.415 is called the coefficient. Okay. The third example now. 6.18 is again dividend and the 3 is divisor. We are dividing 6.18 divided by 3. So you will write 3 outside and 6.18 inside. Okay. Now 3 times 2 is 6. So what is 6 minus 6? 0. Because of the decimal point here, we will put a decimal point in the coefficient. And then we are bringing the 1 down. Okay. So we will not get 1 in the 3 table. So 3 times 0 is 0. Okay. So 3 times 0 as 0. subtract 1. This is the mistake most kids will do. When we have a number that is less than 3, we have to do 3 times 0 as 0 and then we will subtract 1. And then we will bring the 8 down. So 3 times 6 is 18. So now 18 minus 18 is 0. So this 2.06 is called the coefficient. Okay. The fourth example, 92.14. In this case, 9. 8 times 1 is 8. Again, we have to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1 and we will bring the 2 down. 8 times 1 is 8. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Because of the decimal point here, we will put a decimal point in the coefficient. Because in the question we have 92.14. Because of the point here, we have to put a decimal point in the coefficient and bring the next number down, which is 1. 8 times 5 is 40. So now 41 minus 40 is 1 and then we will bring the 4 down. Okay. Again, 8 times 1 is 8. What is 14 minus 8? 6. See, we got a reminder 6. We don't have any numbers over there and we got a reminder 6. But in decimal answers or decimal division, we should not write a reminder. For that case, we will bring a 0. Because we have a decimal point here, we can bring a 0 down. You can ask me why you're bringing 0. See, 92.14 is also equal to 92.140 because if you add a zeros at the end after the decimal point, they are equal to regular 92.14, or we can write it as 92.1400. Okay. So, and we have a decimal point in the question and we got 11.51. So we are keeping a 0 here. Now 8 times 7 is 56. Again, 60 minus 56 is 4. We got a reminder again. Again, because of the decimal point, we can bring one more 0 down. So 8 times 5 is 40 and the remainder is 0. For some questions, they'll be continuously repeating decimals. In that case, after the decimal point, you can find 4 or 5 digits, decimal places, and then you can stop there, okay? In this question, we got reminder as 0. So we can just keep it as 11.5175 as our coefficient. That is our answer. Okay. In this case, we got a reminder 6 here. Let me show with the other color. We got a reminder 6 here. So we can't leave the reminder 6 in decimal division. And because of the decimal point here, we can bring another 0. Okay. So 8 times 7 is 56. So 60 minus 56 is 4. Again, we got a reminder. Because of the decimal point, we are bringing another 0 there. And 8 times 5 is 40. And the remainder is 0. So the answer is 11.5175. And that is called as a coefficient. This is another interesting example. So 73.002 divided by 6. Now 6 times 1 is 6. So what is 7 minus 6? 1. And then we are bringing the 3 down. 6 times 2 is 12. So 13 minus 12 is 1. Now, because of a decimal point in the question, you have to put a decimal point in the coefficient. And now we are bringing the next number 0 down. 6 times 1 is 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Then we are bringing the another number down, which is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. So 40 minus 36 is again 4. And then we will bring the 2 down. So now 6 times how much is 42? 6 times 7 is 42. And then the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. So the answer will be 12.167. 12.167 is called the coefficient. And whatever the answer here, that is remainder. And 73.002 is called the dividend. And 6 is the divisor. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.